to unleash his hidden potential? What are the things they have to can give the 100% to unleash their potentials?
Okay. Interesting question again, Saurabh. I think it's important to really know what is your hidden potential. First, you need to be self-aware about it. You have to know what is. You need to really spend time in introspection. Spend half an hour, 1 hour every day with yourself, without any technology, without any cell phones, any social media, nothing, no technology. Just spend time with yourself for 1 hour every day, morning, night, whatever time suits you. Understand what Understand your journey of life. Where are you lagging? What are some of the things in which you're getting failure? What is your learning from those failures? What are those beliefs which are stopping you from moving ahead in life? And write these things down. Write down your self-limiting beliefs, whether it's like I'm not good at this, or I want to achieve it but I can't achieve it. um, I don't want to take risk. These lines which we tell ourselves, these are nothing but excuses. Because God has given us, every one of us, some special unique talents. And we all have it within us to really achieve success. But very few people achieve success. Rest of us are in that mediocre zone wherein we just keep giving excuses. Ye nahi hoga, wo nahi hoga. Why? You are stopping yourself. So that is the first thing which I would suggest. Introspect, spend time with yourself, and know what are these self-limiting beliefs. The second thing I want to say is just go for anything which you are fearful about. अगर आप public speaking के लिए fearful हैं, just go for it. Dive into it. इतना सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. जितना हम सोचते हैं उतना ही हम अपने माइंड में कॉबवेब बन जाता है. We are just traveling within that. So the second thing is face your fears. To unleash your hidden potential, you have to face your fears. You have to take risk. If you don't take risk in life, you're not growing in life.
Yeah, yeah.
And the third most important thing is help other people to achieve what they want to achieve. See, there's a lot of power in actually, um, how do I say it? Everybody has a deeper meaning in life. हम अपना
Yeah.
जॉब करते हैं, स्टडीज करते हैं, अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करते हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं, whatever we do. But in the end of it, are we really, reaching out to humanity? Are we doing good for other people? ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ आवर टीम आई हैव फेल्ट दिस वे बियॉन्ड लाइक लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर आई हैड दिस I just had this feeling that is this what there is to life? Is there nothing more? How do I have a bigger purpose in life? And that is when I decided I really want to reach out to more and more people, inspire people, motivate people, because all of us need motivation. मुझे भी
Yeah.
मोटिवेशन की जरूरत होती है. I also at times feel demotivated.
Yeah, yeah. And
तो ये तीसरी चीज है, help out other people. When you help people, it gives you immense joy and peace.
okay, and our next question related to this only, that you have said that आपको भी कई बार डिमोटिवेशन फील होता है. तो
बहुत
नेक्स्ट
बार.
क्वेश्चन में यही जानना चाहते हैं कि में जब भी इस टाइप का टाइम आता है या फेस आता है, तो व्हाट थिंग के लिए क्या चीज़ें फॉलो करती हैं कि आप अपने कंटिन्यू कर पाती हैं जो भी आप जर्नी है आपका, और दोबारा अच्छे से काम कर पाती हैं अपनी फील्ड में. तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स और थिंग्स?
Yes. So, as you correctly mentioned, everybody, all of us feel demotivated. It's something which is very natural. So, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Even if you are always 1% motivated, there will be 1% demotivation at some time or the other. So, what I do generally when I am demotivated is the first thing I do is I go down into my why. Why is my why? Because if your why is clear, then how and what will follow. There is a
Yeah,
very famous author and speaker called as Simon Sinek.
yeah,
उन्होंने explain किया है in his concept of the golden circle कि know your why. If your why is clear, how and what will automatically happen. So one thing which I do whenever I'm demotivated is I question my why. And I try and get some support from that कि ये मेरा ultimate motive है. This is my ultimate why. So if I am demotivated, I am not channelizing my energy in the right manner to get close to my why. And the second thing which I do, Saurabh, is I do things anyway. So I follow this motto: do it anyway, even if you're feeling lazy, even if you're feeling lethargic, even if you're feeling tired, do it anyway. तो मैं सिर्फ काम में घुस जाती हूँ. I'm a workaholic by nature, so I just get into it, dive into it, even if I'm not feeling like it.
Okay. So as you mentioned,
Yeah.
so there is a research also regarding that. इनका why से related research in 1879 there was a research out of 100 students उन पे research किया गया था और सबसे पूछा गया था what they want to do in the life and out of जो survey हुआ था उसमें 80% लोग they don't have any goals in their life उनका why clear नहीं था and 13% have the goal but they don't have written anywhere somewhere लेकिन जो 7% लोग थे उन्होंने सिर्फ वो चीज़ लिखी हुई थी और उनके पास भी थी तो आफ्टर 10 years देखा गया कि जिनके पास वाई क्लियर था जिनका तो दे आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन द लाइफ एंड द पीपल हु डोंट हैव द वाई सो वो कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे और वो मीडियोकर लाइफ जी रहे थे तो ये बहुत चीज़ आपने बताया वो काम करता है रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो द वाई फैक्टर.
Absolutely.